Il y a ça sur calme, il est pas de.
Yeah, se lo con zami tá filho. Não, eu vou para o principal.
Yeah. Don't fall in there either. It's a smoothie shop.
What's up, Mommy? I've been in here, Mommy.
Elijah, take that crap off your head, please.
Because we.
Smith.
Hi.
Please let me know how this Oreo smoothie tastes.
Tastes great.
You enjoy it?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Black-owned business, Smoothie Express here in North Miami. It's open, grand opening. Elijah, how does the Oreo smoothie taste?
I didn't even drink it yet.
Oh, you didn't get a chance to sip it? You haven't had an opportunity to taste it yet? Okay, I'll come back for that review.
Okay, go ahead recording.
Can you? No, I need.
No, on my phone.
All right, just give me a second. Let me know how it tastes so far for mine. You squeeze it. Go ahead.
Well, from 1 out of 10, I'll give it a 9 because I feel like
What flavor is that, first of all?
the 1 out of 10, I give this a 10.
Good job. What do you like the most of it?
That it has vegetables, like it doesn't have vegetables in it. It does. It has it's just Oreo and milk. Mommy.
A chicken panini. It's good. I think it has. Because he's on that side. No, I have high cholesterol. This is making me so.
I don't think so.
That's awesome, Fritz.
Nice short.
Did you get yours? This looks delicious. Oh, you're not gonna get none?